Hello friends, my name is Prabhat Kumar, and in this video I'll be covering few of the topics which is very important from management exam point of view, be it MBA, be it other management subjects. So I'll be getting these kind of videos in future also, which will help you understand few topics. So without any further ado, let's start the topic. So the topic which I'll be covering today is CPM. So CPM is basically competitive profile matrix. It is used for the comparison between the two companies. So it is basically a strategic management tool which helps to examine how your company stacks up against your direct or indirect company. So basically ये एक मैट्रिक्स है जिसमें दो कंपनीज अपने आप को आपस में कंपेयर करती हैं। जैसे मेरी एक कंपनी है एंड सपोज एक XYZ करके कंपनी है, so this matrix will help me comparing my strengths and weaknesses with my competitors, be it direct or indirect competitors. So direct competitors are the one जो exactly same product बेच रहे हैं जो मैं बेच रहा हूँ, like they are offering what I am offering. And indirect competitors are those जो substitute बेचते हैं। जैसे for example एक कॉफी बेचने वाली कंपनी है, उसका इनडायरेक्ट होगा एक चाय बेचने वाली कंपनी के लिए। बोथ you are understanding, right, what I'm trying to say? कि indirect competitors are not selling exactly the same thing, but they sell the product which can satisfy the need of the customer. So there are few steps which are involved in the preparation of CPM. Steps are, the very first step is identify the critical factors. So these are the factors in which the strength and the weaknesses of the company lies. जो एक कंपनी की कोर स्ट्रेंथ है एंड जो एक कंपनी की वीकनेस है, these the all the factors are listed down in this. So basically let's suppose एक कंपनी है जिसका कस्टमर सर्विस बहुत अच्छा है, उसका स्ट्रेंथ हो गया कस्टमर सर्विस एंड उसका लोकेशन थोड़ा खराब है, तो उसका वीकनेस हो गया लोकेशन. So if the company has to rate themselves from 1 to 4, the 4 it will be 4 being the best, it will be given to customer service, and 1 being the worst it will be given to the location. And for identifying the critical success factor, the company needs to ask few questions to themselves. The question can be why consumers are preferring company B over company A. Next question, it can be what resources and capabilities company B is using and what company A is not using. What are the competencies of company B over company A? Next is once you are familiar with all the CSF, once you are familiar with all the critical success factors, you list down all the factors, and it is very essential. The more the number of factors are there, it is easily and it is accurate to get CPM. Once you are done with the factors, the second step, you need to assign weights, as I mentioned about the strength and weakness wala, key strength being the customer service and weakness being the location. उस हिसाब से आप जितने भी आपने सक्सेस फैक्टर लिए हैं उन सबको आप रेटिंग दे देंगे. Now the third step is you need to calculate the weighted score based upon all the ratings which you have given. Then you need to compare between company A and between company B, and this would help you to understand what are the relative strengths of the company and what are the relative weakness of the company with respect to other company. Now, here is a small example I have just taken down. So see, there are three companies: Honda, Yamaha, Harley, and there are few success factors which are advertising, quality, price, competitiveness, financial position, customer loyalty, etc., etc. So I have already assigned the weight for every factor. Then ratings I have given accordingly as per their strength and weaknesses. Now the weighted score is calculated by multiplying weight and rating. So for advertising, weight is 0.20 and rating for Honda is 4. So the weighted score becomes 0.20 into 4, which comes to be 0.8. Similarly, you need to do that for all the other companies. And once you are ready with all the computations, at last, when you see the table, you will get a fair idea about which company is dominating in the market. In this example, for say Honda is dominating in the market based upon the score which has been allotted. Next comes the importance of CPM. As I mentioned, it is a very important tool which most of the industries do to compare themselves with their competitors. So the strengths, the very first importance of this Metric is it helps to understand the strength and the weaknesses. So जहाँ पे एक कंपनी को आपने रेटिंग दी है, देन आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग द वेटेड एवरेज ऑफ टू डिफरेंट कंपनीज, जहां जहां आपकी कंपनी लैक कर रही है अब स्ट्रेंथ्स में, यू द कंपनी गेट्स अ फेयर आइडिया अबाउट इट. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. तो आपको जैसे दो कंपनी को अगर कंपेयर किया है, अगर आपकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है एंड द अदर कंपनी इज वीक इन दैट, सो यू कैन यूटिलाइज दैट एंड यू कैन डेवलप अ प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि यू होल्ड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रिप विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट, एंड वो आपको दैट विल बी अ डिफरेंशिएटर फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट इज मार्केट ट्रेंड्स. तो CPM it helps the companies to understand what trends are there in the market, what the market is following. So it helps the company to understand the trends. Next is positioning efficiently and effectively. So the positioning is basic nothing but what the customer thinks about your brand. So nowadays, like, it is the company, everything and anything whatever they are doing, it is just because of the customer. So it is very essential that the customer has a very good opinion perspective about your product. So CPM helps to have a good position in the minds of customer. Next is planning to enter in the market. जैसे कि आपका कोई स्ट्रेंथ है एंड वही चीज अगर मान लो किसी कंपनी का वीकनेस है, सो व्हेन यू कंपेयर इट, आपको पता है कि आप इस चीज में एक्सेल करेंगे, सो CPM हेल्प्स अ कंपनी कि इस टाइम पे नाउ यू शुड गो इन. फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी अगर आप किसी फूड चेन में देखेंगे, अभी जैसे कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो इट इज नॉट गुड टाइम फॉर देम टू मेक एन इंटरेस्ट इन द कंपनी, क्योंकि नोबडी इज गेटिंग प्रॉफिट आउट ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट इज इम्प्रूविंग द ऑफरिंग. CPM, अब आपको जहां पता है कि आपके स्ट्रेंथ बहुत अच्छे हैं, अगर आपको पता है कि आप वीक हैं उस जगह पे आपके कॉम्पिटिटर को लेके, तो इट कैन हेल्प यू इम्प्रूविंग योर ऑफरिंग at those places which you lack upon. So this is all about CPM, and if you have any doubt about the topic, you can just drop in a comment. I will try to resolve the problem. Thank you so much. Hope you like the video, and if you love the video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much.